Wait, why is there suddenly broccoli in this house? This feels targeted. I used to be the favorite.
Move aside, processed boys. It's my season now.
Relax, Apple. One stressful day and they'll come crawling back to me. They looked at my calories for 5 whole seconds yesterday. I'm finished.
Welcome to the era of reading nutrition labels.
They bought a water bottle in bulk. We're actually losing this war. Nobody even opens the snack drawer anymore.
Funny how everyone wants summer body season overnight.
Don't worry. Cheat day is always closer than they think.
You don't need perfection, just better choices more often.